So I'm back with another video and we're going to be trying something new. This time we are making custom party favors. Of course, y'all know anything that I can do myself, I'm going to do it myself to save some money. Might take a lot of time, but I'd rather save money than time. So I'm making custom birthday hats, shot glasses, and tumblers, and a few other things for my best friend's 31st birthday. So she wanted to do like a Bratz theme party, and she wanted the custom birthday hat. So first I'm gonna make those. The things I used was scissors, the pom-poms, that elastic band for the bottom of the hat, and some a feather boa. And everything I got came from Amazon, and it was not expensive. I had to go back and look how much it was, but it was not expensive. I designed the hat on Canva. I got the template from, I think I googled the template for a birthday hat, or I may have like purchased one off Etsy for maybe like 50 cents or $1 or something like that. Real easy peasy. And like I said, I did the whole design for the hat myself. But if you go on like Canva or things like that, people sell designs, but like I said, I wanted it custom. I wanted to look how I wanted to look, and I wanted to have black Bratz dolls because we are black queens. No, but for real, I like to design my own stuff, and I got Canva Pro, boo. So yeah, I'm showing right here. I did use the large pom poms. It may, I mean, it worked, but it may be better to use smaller pom poms because those were kind of heavy. So you see how hard I'm pressing down to try to hold the pom pom on the hat, but we made it work. But if I was to make these again, I would use smaller pom poms or lighter pom poms. So yeah, I cut the hats up. The part that was most like got on my nerves the most was trying to fold the hat up and keep it in place while I glue it, and also trying to glue those pom poms on. But other than that, it wasn't bad. It is messy. It can be a big mess, especially if you're doing it like where you have carpet. You're gonna have to vacuum. But it didn't take a lot of time at all. It didn't take too much time. And for it to be my first time, I feel like I did pretty well. So I'm gonna glue the feather boa around. I only bought one boa and it made 4 hats. So that was good. So after I finished adding the feather boa, I did go back and like clean it up and trim all those extra feathers hanging off the bottom. Again, if I was to make these hats again, instead of using like the feather like boa, I will use one that's more like fur instead of feathers, if that makes sense. Cause this one, I mean, it's cute, but it was messy. So I'm just showing y'all the finished product, and then I go and add the elastic band. So right here, I just used a comb and poke the hole through it, and then I'm gonna stick the elastic band through. It has the little end pieces to keep it from going through. I don't know how to explain it, but instead of having to tie a knot, it has like the end pieces that would be like on the shoestring or something. I put it through the outside of the hat and went around and put it back through the outside. But the other hats I did, I went back and did it from the inside. I felt like it fit better. And that's just to keep the hats on our heads. Baby, let's go and get fried. Before with me, I'm a vibe. Just got my heart done looking fine. The 32 inches is blind. He asking, can he get some time? Yeah, yeah. You wanna hang with a baby? Yeah. Hang with a baby? Yeah. So now I'm making the custom tumbler cups and shot glasses, and I'm just showing you everything that I used. Believe it or not, I found these cups at the last minute. It wasn't really last minute, but at Dollar Tree. I was gonna get some off Amazon, but I only needed 4 cups, and of course Amazon, the least amount I could buy was 12, and I was gonna spend like $20. Went to Dollar Tree, and it fits perfectly. Tell me those cups don't fit perfectly with the thing. Just so I was happy about that. $1.25 a piece. And then I went and got these stickers made. I came up with all the designs for the stickers. Again, I used Canva. And I got this little stand, and I don't know if it's a squeegee or scraper or whatever, from Amazon. Put the sticker on. Now I'm going to show y'all right here. I use gloves to keep from getting fingerprints. But right here, be careful because it will, if you stick your finger or your glove on there, it's going to peel the design off. So try not to get your finger right up under there. I wish I would have left more of the plastic on the sticker when I cut it so I could have more room to hold it instead of cutting it right around the edge of the sticker. But you live and you learn. Like I said, this was my first time. So I'm just showing me put each design on the cup. And then I didn't show it, but you use the scraper to make sure the sticker's all the way down. And then it's a thin piece of plastic that you peel off. But I didn't show myself doing that. Now I'm making the tumblers. And our cup said birthday crew. The birthday girl cup said birthday bitch. But I forgot it was supposed to say birthday brat. I was moving too fast. But it's the same. She is a bitch. So making the tumblers, and I went on Chat GPT and Canva and came up with a design for the Bratz dolls on the cups, because like I said, we want black Bratz dolls. So I'm just showing y'all a quick one too of the cups. When my best friend got a quote for her birthday, a girl wanted to charge her $200 for 12 shot glasses and 12 cups, and it wasn't even tumblers. It was like plastic cups with the stickers on them. And I'm like, oh no, boo, we gonna figure this out, because she already knows. She asked me anyway. She already know I like trying to do stuff, especially like creative things like that. So I'm like, yeah, let me see what I could do. And of course, I was on Pinterest. I found this picture, and I'm like, yeah, we finna remake these. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like a wine glass with the lips in it, and the lips are holding a straw. Found these cute pink wine glasses on Amazon. Didn't pay much for it, maybe $20 if that. And I got this picture printed at CVS, Walgreens, somewhere, girl. Not expensive. Probably paid $1. Use a hole puncher. We're gonna punch a hole right in there, and then we're gonna stick the straw through. This picture of the lips I got off Pinterest, and I went and printed it out at either CVS, Walgreens, somewhere. These black straws, inexpensive, and then you put it right through. Boom, just like that. And then I'm gonna show you it in there, and that is just so cute. That's cute, right? It's just simple, cute touches like that. That is so cute. And then I've seen some, like, people had the cotton candy sticking out of it, all set up with the cotton candy around the glass. Like, just picture like a girls' night or a game night. That would be so cute. And speaking of cotton candy, I tried to make like cotton candy party favors, like a little bag of cotton candy. I seen it on Pinterest. It could be better. It wasn't bad, but it could have been better. I feel like if I used the cotton candy that came in a tub, or maybe fresh cotton candy, because this cotton candy in the bag, it just wasn't giving. Y'all see me trying to mold it and fold it and make it look cute, but it just was not giving. It's probably best to use fresh cotton candy, honestly. Because when it's sitting in the tub, I don't know, like the texture, it just wasn't giving. I made those stickers. I got those printed out at, I believe CVS. They make stickers. They make those. I didn't really like them because they was matte. They was supposed to be glossy, but you know, we make it do what it do. I also made a balloon garland. Mind y'all, this is my first time doing all of this. Shout out to my best friend, because she let me have like full creative control. I sent her my ideas, and she basically like, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do. So I did do a balloon garland, and these are like my props that's going inside of my garland. I got it printed off at CVS. Some of I advise, if you do this, to get the repositional poster, which just means that the poster is a sticker, so you can stick it onto the foam board instead of having to use spray adhesive, because it gets messy. It don't want to stick. It was just easier to just use a sticker. So then I cut that out with an X-Acto knife, and then I'm just gonna show y'all with it up. So I did the balloons, y'all. This is my first time, but I feel like I did good. Okay, this is the final little look-see. Got that over there. Ignore the chairs. It's not a part of it. Oh, that's not a part of it either. Okay. We got the custom shot glasses. got the candy bowl, custom hats, custom cups, custom everything, custom boo. Oh, I had one that got everybody a bundt cake. Like I said, it's only 4 of us, but custom stickers on the bundt cake. Damn. I just know how to do everything. It don't make no sense. Got the liquor back there.